What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. Man, it's late, dude. It's late. But yeah, Monday, first day of the 30% off sale at Nike. So yeah, we're at the Citadel. Let's go see what's up at the Nike outlet in Citadel. It is 7:15. Hope that's not a crazy line. Let's see what happens. Damn, it is the holiday season already, technically, right? Yeah, and I don't think there's a huge line at Nike. Oh, wow. Not bad at all. This might be the shortest line I've ever seen here. Holy crap. That's what's up. That is what's up. Damn, line's gotten significantly longer now. Line is moving pretty quick, only 8 minutes. Looks like I'll be in with a total of a 10-minute wait, so not bad. All right, I'm expecting a lot here because this is one of my favorite stores. I'm expecting a lot. All right, waited 9 minutes outside, 9 minutes. Let's hope we can get some heat, 20% off, and then the other 30% off coupon. Hope we can find something. Size 10, 10 and a half right here. And of course here everything is kind of jumbled up together because it's just so crowded here and so packed. See what we find. Pegasus 37, is that a Raiders? Raiders logo? Dang, that's dope. Dope. Retail price though, but with the discounts, everything's not too bad today. I was like, what is this? Patent leather Jordans? What the heck? The Max Aura 2s. Okay, retail game, size 11. Kobe NXT FFs. Going for $180. That is the size 10 and a half. What these outlet mints going for? This is a size 12, going for 60 bucks. Holy cow. Fear of God Mox, $120 for these. That's size 10 and a half. What size is this? Size 11 LeBrons. There's no way that's retail. I don't know the price. 720s, size 11. There's no way that's retail either. Kyrie, size 10, going for $110. They ain't not really finding much. Got some SB check, size 9, going for 35. Dang, that's almost free with the discounts. Wow. Remember the size 11s, $110 for these PGs. That's an interesting price for those who haven't seen those over 100 in a while. Dang. Dang, there's a bunch of these. These are the BB4s. What? There's no way those are 170. There's no way that's retail. Size 11. There's a bunch of them though. That's an interesting find. Some Patriots version of a Pegasus 37. This is size 11 half. That is retail game though. A little bit high. Dang, the place is packed, but I'm not finding too many dope deals, you guys. Just not finding much. Check the bigger sizes. See what's going on here. Someone got some black hats. Okay, that's probably a pretty dope deal. Okay, we're finally starting to see price here. The Shox BB4s, okay, they're going for $80. All right, so with the discounts, that's not too shabby. All right, I do have a watch for you guys. He's a reseller, but I'm gonna kind of be nosy, and he's nice enough. Brian is nice enough to let me go through stuff. Oh, okay. Yeah, I just saw these. There was one of these at East LA too, I think.
Small.
Yeah, it was a smaller one. The bigger sizes do a lot better with the boots. Okay. These are going for retail, but with that 30 off and that 20 off, that's what's up. Got a couple of those, and then he got the black hats. Look at the price on these, you guys. That's insane. 38 bucks, $38, and then you get what? 20% off, then 30% off. That's a steal, dude. I think these come out to like $22. That's a freaking steal, you guys. I'm so jealous. Good stuff. Thanks for letting me see you guys. All right, all this stuff, the big sizes, they're all kind of just jumbled up. Like I see size 11, size 12, size 13, size 14. Yeah, let's just go through some of the stuff. 11 and a half, Pegasus 35, going for 55 bucks. Size 13, Fear of God Mox, going for 85. They got a size 13 here. The Kyrie's going for retail. The Kyrie 6, what the heck? 11 colorway. Oh, size 9. See, I told you. Oh, size 8. Everything's jumbled up. $110 for these. This is going to be huge. Oh, size 14 PGs, regular price. Size 12. We got some DMPs. By DMPs, I mean the Mars 270 DMPs, going for $80. Got some Space Hippies, size 12s. $130 with that discount. That makes it super dope. We got Metcon size 12, going for $55. All right, not finding much, you guys. Not finding much yet. I'm gonna talk to one of the employees, see if they can check the back. I doubt they're gonna have time for much, but it's worth a shot. Definitely worth a shot. Let's go see what's up in the smaller sizes, you guys. Doesn't look like I'm gonna find anything for myself. In the size 9, 10 and a half, I don't know. Size 10s right here. Got the Air Force Gore-Tex. Going for $110. Actually, that's a hell of a deal. It's a navy colorway. Hell of a price. Dang, we're finding all kinds of Pegasus NFL colorways. Look at this. This is a Colt colorway, size 9. Does say retail price though. If I ever see anything for retail price, I'm having them scan it because a lot of times it is a lot lower. They just forget to stamp the price. Size 9, more Kobe NXTFFs go for $180, but you do get that 20% off and 30% off on top of that. Wow. Elements, really not seeing too much, you guys. Size 9, go for $60. That's a good deal. We got these Epigraph Planet 2s going for $110. That one's a size 10, 9.5. We got LeBron's right here, infrared colorway, $160 for those bad boys. How much are these going for? $169 for these, size 9. Gayakusos, Pegasus, 8.5, going for $100. Seeing a lot of stuff, but a lot of the same stuff right here. The Gore-Tex Air Force One, size 7, go for $110. Kobe's, the NXT FFs, size 8, go for $180. Saw these for $139. What, 2 weeks ago? The NXT FFs. Yeah, these are going for $200, size 8. Oh, sorry. We're checking the alley, guys. Jumpman Team 1s. Decent price, but yeah, it's even better with that 30% off. KD13. Alright, I did ask one of the workers. He said there really wasn't much in 10.5 right now. Dude got these KD13s. Zoom Freak 1s. We've seen these for cheaper though, I think. PG4s. We've seen these for hella cheap places. More PG4s. LeBron infrareds. Kyrie 6s. That's a pretty good price. Wow. The glow colorway. What colorway is this? Is this shoot, I forgot what colorway this is. But yeah, got another Kyrie 6. Kyrie low 3s. Flytrap 3s. More Flytrap 3s. KD Trey 5.7s. I feel like you could find better stuff for a similar price. See, that's hella cheap right there. KD Trey 5.7s. Did I say KD Trey 5.8s? Okay. Air Zoom BB NXTs. Is that another Flytrap? Flytrap 3. Air Max 2090s. Got a few of these. Air Max 200s. 270 Reacts. 95. Air Max 95. This has a lot of different materials. Pretty dope colorway. Not bad. $90. You get 30% off on top of that. Wow. Got another Air Max 95. Air Max 90 right here. They got some Element 87s. Up Tempo 95. Dang, these did not sell very well, I guess, because we've seen these everywhere now. Dang, the Zoom types with the crazy cushioning in the back. Drop type premiums. Air Max 2 lights. Couple of Prestos. Better colorway in my opinion. I know some of you guys in the East are a big fan of these. The Reactera Gobes ACGs. The backpacks all 30% off. And then you get an extra 30% off when you use the coupon. That is hella dope. Not seeing any that I really like. None of the signature ones. This one, I guess that's not too bad. Let's see what's up. Oh, it does feel kind of cheap. Never mind. $28. Yeah, it does feel kind of cheap though. This one looks pretty decent. It is kind of small though, and I don't see a price tag on it. Oh, okay, $40 for those. That goes out to what? $26, and then you get another 30% off on top of that. What is this, you guys? What the hell is this? Some ISPAs. The Nike Flow 2020. Yeah, the 2020 ISPA is kind of interesting. It does feel like it's React, but there's a bunch of holes in it. Man, that's interesting. Yeah, I don't know the price. It is $180. That is the retail. But yeah, I guess you get 30% off. Super dope, you guys. These are my Jordan 3 pure whites. Pretty freaking white. Pretty dope. All right, I did talk to one of the employees, you guys. I talked to another one, and he actually did check the back. He said they did have some the Jordan 35s, the bread colorway, and to get that at 20%, to be able to get that at 20% off, 30% off, that would have been a hell of a good deal. But my feet are just way too wide for those, so you know, I said, hey, don't even bother. But that was pretty dope of him for checking. That was pretty dope. Upstairs, this is the women's as well as the kids section. Let's see what we find, you guys. Women's clearance, everything is 20% off here as well. See what we find. There are other people here, so I'm just gonna kind of move around whatever I find. 8.5 right here, Air Max correlates. Okay. What is this? Size 8s are here. Dang, I don't even. Oh, okay, these are going for $125. $125. I feel like there was another number there. I don't know. Got some Renews right here, size 7s going for 55. Got some Vomero 14s, size 8.5 going for 65. Pegasus 36, size 8 going for 85. Oh, okay. See, yeah. For some reason, I had a feeling these would be cheaper. $100 for these. These are down to 100. Yeah, see, we've seen a few hundred marks, so they forgot to price some of those down. Okay. Checking out the real smaller sizes. Size 5 going for $90. These are the Space Hippies. I think these are the 4s, right? Yeah, the Space Hippie 4s. Kind of like a pinkish reddish colorway. Okay. But yeah, $90, man. That's hella cheap, dude. Especially with the 20%, 30% off. You got some Epic React Flyknit 2s going for 65. That is size 6.5. More of these, man. These are just everywhere. Checking the bigger size now. Legend React 2s, size 11, go for $70. Alright, what are these? Some Infinity Run Flyknits, size 11.5, go for 90. Got some Metcons right next to it. These are huge. Size 12, 10.5 men's, go for 65. For the extended sizing, they did mark these down. The Pegasus Turbo 2 is going for 85 now. Pegasus 35, size 12, going for 60. Interesting colorway. Size 9s, these are the Flex Contact 3s. Some really good budget shoes, $35. Or really budget sneakers. Wow, these Metcons, $35 for these. Wow, that's insane cheap. The aisles here in the women's section been extra underwhelming. Extra underwhelming. Let's look around though anyways. Air Max Veronas, what the heck are those? Spirit On Cage 2s, Air Max 200. Wow. Nike Free Run Trainer 8s. Bella Trainers, Air Max Bella Trainer 2s. Yeah, what are these? In-season trainers. Yeah, these are like extra generic, you guys. Revolutions. More Revolutions. Can I get like a name that I actually know? What the heck? Flex Experience Runs. Yeah. Do you got some Renew runs? I know some people are fans of these. $50. Got a couple more. 55 for these. Pegasus 34s. Going for pretty cheap. Pegasus 35s. Damn, that's about it in the women's section. Just mostly stuff I don't know. Let's go check the kids. See what's up. I think this is 6Y. $90 for these. The Mars 270. The DMP colorway. They got some Soldier 13s. These are size 7Y. $55. Max Turf. Speed Turf. My bad. 7Y. Going for $40. Flytrap 2 7Y. Go for $55. What are these? The B Loyals go for $80. That's a 6.5. Tailwind 6.5. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not retail. They got some Presto Reacts, size 7, go for 70. Yeah, see, I knew these were. This is the one that we saw in the clearance section, right? Okay, go for $100. GS colorways, you guys. Air Max 90, not bad. Got some Air Max 97s. Got some Joyride Dual Runs. Renew Lucents. 720 818s. Okay, kind of pricey, but these are kind of dope. Presto Reacts, going for $70. I was like, what's this? What's this Chicago colorway? Oh no, they're just some LD Victories. Okay, we got some Zoom Freaks now. LeBron's, James Gang colorway. Legacy 312s, okay. Then some, what are these? The Kyrie's, right? Yeah, the Kyrie Flytrap 2s. Let's check out the apparel just a little bit. I do want to stop by one other spot, and that is why I skip over things sometimes. But yeah, let's spend a couple minutes, you guys. Additional 30% off, my favorite signs. And yeah, these are going for $35. I do love these. But yeah, you get 30% off, and then you get 30% off in-app, man. Might make it worth it. Because I have been wanting these for a while, you guys. These are freaking dope. Kind of like a fleece material. Man, they got more $12.99 shirts. Got a decent variety too. Oh yeah, the Jumpman LA one. I think this is where I got them. But yeah, all the t-shirts go for $12.99. Pretty dope, you guys. Pretty good selection too. And they do have like a bunch of different sizes as well. So yeah, not bad for $12.99, you guys. They keep teasing me having these shorts at different spots, man. Those are like my favorite. Got some ACG sweatshirts, you guys, or Nike hiking, whatever, you guys, whatever. $45 for these, 30% off. Like everything seems to be worth it, man. They got graphic tees, 2 for $25. Sweatshirt, normal $80, down to $60. Got this fleece jacket, Normally $1.30, down to $1.30. What the heck? Oh, this is this tech fleece? Oh yeah, I think this is the one that I have. I think I have the black version of this. But yeah, 160 down to 110. You get 30% off. I think I got mine for cheaper though. I think I got mine for like 60 something. Okay. Jordan jacket. These are going for $50. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. What's the normal price on these? Normal price is 110 supposedly. Okay. And then a fleece jacket right here. This is the last thing I'm gonna show. Is it $90? Really? That's surprising. All right, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. All right, we are gonna wrap it up, you guys. Definitely wrap it up. Make sure you come here before, way before. They're supposed to close at 9, but it's only 8 o'clock and they've already wrapped up. So make sure you come here early, I guess, or not too late. All right, that's the Nike outlet sale, you guys. 30% off entire purchase. That's on top of whatever sale they got there. So yeah, y'all better be hitting up the Nike outlets this week, because man, they got some dope steals, you guys. They got some dope deals. Even the most mediocre deals turn into like borderline purchases, man, or stuff that you're gonna think about. So that's pretty dope. Definitely hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you guys go ahead, help your boy out, press that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys go ahead, press that subscribe button. Make sure you click on that notification bell as well, because I do drop a whole lot of videos. You guys know I'm gonna be back for next one. Trying to hit you guys up video every day, maybe 2 a day. We'll see what's up, you guys. Peace.